There's an access panel I cut into this ceiling here. We needed to get into for... Oops, nearly dropped my phone. I'm just showing you, this is a typical Spanish original construction. This is how they do it. They still do it today, and they use these boards here. They're called Iascola plaques. And these strange looking string things, it's like horsehair mixed with a paste. It goes like concrete. Incredible stuff. But this is a typical, so you get the terracotta plates, as I've said before, with a concrete beam every 62 centimeters, and then they suspend the ceilings with these connections of Escola and pasta to the boards, and that gives you your solid ceiling. And even now today they still do it this way. It's an art.